These have been my trials to change the TPMS sensors on my W211 2009 E-Class Mercedes. So I tried to get the same sensors. I got different kinds. I got the generic ones from Amazon. These were for, I can't remember the price, but they were cheap for 4 of them. I was told these are 315 megahertz, but they were not. So I ended up taking them off after they were on. They didn't work, of course. They were 433 megahertz. Then I got the Schrader one. That was supposed to be 315 megahertz, but they did not work as well. I couldn't get them programmed, so I'll be returning those as well. I ended up buying the Autel Maxi TPMS pad for programming, which is this pad. Okay, and it comes with this software. You download it from the website, and then I tried these 315 megahertz sensors. Those are for the GM vehicles. They also did not work. They were not read by the software or the pad. So the Schrader didn't work because they were not readable, I couldn't program them with this software. For this specific model, same thing. These were readable through other manufacturers, for the GM manufacturers, but they did not work for the Mercedes manufacturer coding through this app or software. What I ended up getting are the Autel MX sensors. They're dual, what do you call it? Dual frequency, and I was able to program them. So I scanned the car, the TPMS module from the car, to get the sensor codes. I got the 4 sensor codes, and then I coded them to this. I'll show you right now. This one I already coded one. It was read by the car, installed it, and I got 3 more. I'll code this right now, show you how it's done, and then go and install it in the car. So what you do is you type here Mercedes, and then choose your model, E-Class. And this one is the 315. Some models got 433, but that works for ours. So these are the numbers, and it's 315 megahertz. So I'm gonna put the sensor on the pad right now, and then test it and show you how it's programmed. Okay, you place the sensor on the pad. Let's test the sensor. So now the sensor is readable. Okay. Now it's time to program the sensor. Click create the sensor, and you type here your sensor code or ID in this window. 1 second. Now we can click program. Okay, now it's coded. You can test it again. Now it works beautiful. Now we're gonna go and install it in the car.